Hero Academia! I'm so happy to be back. I don't have an excuse of why I haven't been keeping up weekly, but we're here now. The movie is coming out and tickets are gonna go on sale and I wanna go, even though I know I'm not caught up on the manga. I don't read the manga because I like to be surprised when we watch the anime, but I wanna go. I wanna go so bad. I know people are telling me want to, but there's no way I'm gonna be able to avoid spoilers. There's no fucking way. I'm surprised I've avoided spoilers for this. I know it's been a while. Gargana will be taking a break for a little bit, so she will unfortunately not be joining me for a few episodes of this, but whenever she comes back, then she can be able to join then. For the last episode the last episode that we posted, I did say that we have seen a sneak peek into season 4 already. Gargana and Gargana and Brianna, we already watched it at Comic-Con. When this scene pops up, I will show you. My original intention was we had lost footage of our initial reactions to the scenes that are shown. As soon as those are aired, I will tell you what those scenes are to avoid kind of spoilery stuff. I mean, at this point, you should have already seen the episode right now, but just to be safe, I will let you know then, because I can't find the footage. All I was able to find is the stuff that'll be at the end of this video, so please take a look there. But I don't think it's even like a reaction-esque stuff. It was just us in the actual, like, Hall H. No, it wasn't even, it was Ballroom 20 that we were in for last year's Comic-Con. But, enough said. I am ready to get back into My Hero Academia. Let's go! Oh, look at all these snapshots! Work study. Wait, that's right! Okay. Okay, can't wait to meet Night Eye. We gonna do this. I know that's Aerie. Just don't know anything else. I just know her name. That's a great shot. This is it! This is what we saw! This is what we saw! But we watched it in English dub when we went into it. Yakuza. What's his name again? Overhaul. Yeah! Oh, I know what's about to happen. Oh, there's... Yeah, this I've seen. I've seen this. Oh. He looks attractive, but I know what's about to happen. Oh god, yeah, this is where it goes. Yup. Nice. I mean, the English dub when I watched it at Comic-Con was really good too, but this is insane. Oh, I miss Stain. Will he come back? It's funny because he's not wrong. Oh, here it is. Here it is. I know it's coming. I know what's about to happen. Context. Oh, here it is. Let me just pause. When this happened in Ballroom 20, the lights out, I shit you not. Okay, so before they asked everyone in the audience, who's anime only? It's like, I raised my hand, there's like, it was majority of the people in there. And then I sat next to a group of cosplayers that they read the manga. They're like, wait, before like the episode starts, like, you've never seen, like, you don't read the manga? I'm like, no. They're like, oh, and you just hear them like, oh shit, here it comes. I shit you not. Everyone in that whole ballroom shit their pants. We all lost their minds. You might not, if she has it, you might not be able to see much because it was reversed on me. I just had my cell phone, I'm like, where? And it was on Gargana's phone. But I screamed so loud. Everyone did. Ah! Okay. Yeah, he lost his arm. Oh, who's more powerful? Decay, or whatever the fuck his quirk is. What the fuck? Yeah, that's right. We owe you. Damn. Overhaul, honestly, he's so badass. Ooh. He's not wrong, you need a plan. Oh, I haven't seen this. He's playing this too. go to karaoke. Oh, I can't. They're so cute. You're adorable. Oh, this is adorable. Oh. Uh-oh. Damn. Laugh. Aww. Here we go. The episode's gonna end right when we're about to meet him. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh god, you made him angry. You made him angry. You made him angry. You made him angry. Oh, oh man. Oh man, Izuku. You are so cute. Someone, as soon as he started parting your hair, like, no. Okay. So the first part of this episode I watched already. Second part I haven't seen. So the part that I did see, maybe, I'm pretty sure I'm going to get to it in the next episode, but I'll let you know when that happens. Good things to come. I'm excited. Alright, see you guys next time. Fire for season 3, now on DVD. Show the pins. You wanna die? Boom. We're so ready. We are so ready. We have, damn, this whole thing, patience, if you're watching, this is going to be its own freaking thing. We have Brianna covering media. We have Gargana up front covering BritSmash media. And Jordanette and I are just vlogging, and hopefully we get to ask questions. So let's see how this panel goes. I'm so excited and nervous at the same time. I don't know. What's that? Oh my god!
For season 4.
Oh, you can't see me, it's okay. Oh.
With all my retired, people everywhere are struggling with a sense of unease. In this new reality, fear is on the rise, and we need heroes more than ever. If you want to get stronger, then walk on through. If I learn about what everyone else is doing, I'll never be the best. I'll forge my own path to the #1 spot. The symbol of peace is gone. And the people are looking not for a dim light, but a dazzling one. At this point, those in the shadows and those in the light are both weaklets. Someone must take control. When we put on our costumes and take to the streets, we are heroes. I've spread my roots across this country. I'll break the natural order of things. Whatever it takes. I will save that girl!
Woo!
first episode to show you guys today. You can stay on stage. We actually have a little monitor, so we'll be able to watch along with you guys. So that's gonna be cool. Y'all ready?
Yeah!
Well now, you brought us a pretty big catch, huh, Twice? You think so? Strange, coming from you. The League of Villains.
What gives? Is this guy famous or something?
The headmaster showed me a picture of him. He's what you'd call Yakuza. The young head of the Shiei Samurai. To what do we owe the pleasure?
Yeah, what's a Yakuza thug from the slums doing here? Let me guess, you're excited about All Might's retirement too?
It's good that he's gone, sure. But I'm more interested in All for One's absence. The Dark Emperor who ruled over the shadows. The old-timers always feared him, even after rumors of his death. Honestly, though, most people my age thought he was an urban legend. You can imagine the shock when he showed up in the flesh. But in the end, the big bad was thrown into Tartarus, and the symbol of peace retired. Which means those of us in the shadows and those in the light are both leaderless. So, who will step up to take their places? You know who my master is, but you've still got the nerve to ask that. Sounds like a challenge. I'm the next leader. Even now I'm gathering my troops. Our numbers continue to increase. With our combined power, I'll turn hero society to dust. You have an actual plan? Watch your tongue. And your tone. I thought you came here to join up with us. A goal without a plan is just
Twice.
If that's what you're offering, why should I join you? What happens after you increase your forces? Do you have any idea how you'd even organize your league? You had the hero killer stain at your side. Muscular, moonfish.
Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Holy shit.
Now I get it. You should have just started with this. Saved us all some time.
That was a close one, Overhaul.
You're late.
And I missed a shot. At least we know they work.
Where'd they come from? We weren't followed, I swear! One of them probably has a tracking quirk. Hard to be objective in this situation. Besides, killing each other isn't productive. The death on both sides. Let's take a breather. We'll cool our heads and try again later. I owe your side an arm. Bastard! I'll eviscerate you! Let me cut him, real quick. No. It's my responsibility! No. Smart decision, face-off guy. I don't want to rush you, but the sooner we talk, the better. Think things over carefully. Consider how your organization should be run. Then, when you've calmed down, call me. They gotta pay for this! Why can't I go after them?
Thinking. We need to get those heroes to the top.
My tower wouldn't work. Damn, that hurts. Shiei Samurai, you'll pay for what you've done today.
You want to do a work study here because you think that doing so will make you stronger.